Hey, I am Mr. Grippa, your simple anatomy teacher. I'm going to walk you through a blood cell's journey through the Carzialzo system. Start with the path of a red blood cell. An oxygen poor blood cell, it first starts at the inferior vena cava, then enters the right atrium. The right atrium contracts, pushing the blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, pumping the blood through the pulmonary valve to the pulmonary artery, a trip straight to the lungs. The pulmonary artery takes blood to the lungs, where the red blood cells in the blood will take on oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Now this blood is oxygenated.
Oxygen-rich blood is now ready to return to the heart for circulation throughout the body. The oxygenated blood travels through a pulmonary vein to the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, and the blood travels through the mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts and pumps the blood through the aortic valve and out a major artery known as the aorta. The aorta is a major artery that carries oxygenated blood throughout the body. After leaving the heart, the blood goes through many of these arteries and veins such as carotid artery, brachial artery, femoral artery, radial artery, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, jugular vein, pulmonary artery, and the pulmonary vein. The cardiovascular system moves blood in two loops, pulmonary circulation which goes from the heart to the lungs, back to the heart. Or the systemic circulation which goes from the heart to the body, and back to the heart. The heart and blood vessels work together to keep the body healthy. Haha, look, there's me fishing in a boat. Anyway, that concludes this presentation. Make sure to buy my book and subscribe to my YouTube channel.